Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Camera. In this video I'll show you how to update Xiaomi Camera firmware and why you should do it. Let's start with explanation why you should always update firmware of your devices. Firmware updates always comes with new possibilities for your camera, like new features, new access methods and more. Also, they improve stability and connection of the camera. In order to update the firmware, let's go to Xiaomi Home app, select your camera and go to settings. Enter camera settings, enter firmware update and select update. Of course, make sure that your camera
is about to be updated. Please make sure that the power and internet connection don't get disconnected during the update process.
That's exactly what I wanted to say. Make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi and the connection is not interrupted. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.